everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to see how you can uninstall your Node.js on your Windows PC. Well, it is a quite simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you have to do is open your settings on your PC, for which you can click on this option Windows right here. And after clicking on it, there you can see the option of settings. If you can't see the option right here, you can click on the search bar and start typing settings. And after typing so here, you can see the option. You can simply just open the app. And after opening settings, here you will be able to see the option of apps in right here. So simply just click on this option apps. And after clicking on the option here, now click on the installed apps option. After doing so, here you can see the search bar right here. You can simply just type node.js in here, or you can search manually by scrolling down like this. I'm simply going to click on the search bar and search it. So after typing node.js, here you can see the option, and all you gotta do is click on this three dot bar that you can see right here. So after clicking on it, here you can see the pop-up uninstall. Simply just click the option in order to uninstall the app. And again, click on uninstall. And just like this, you have now successfully uninstalled Node.js on your PC. And you can see Node.js is already on the search bar, but it says we couldn't find any to show here because you have successfully uninstalled it. And that is it. That is how you can uninstall Node.js on your PC. I hope this video is helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.